Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Priyanka Viramosu, Coordinator of Admissions, and it is my pleasure to welcome you all to today's panel discussion, Engineering Your Future, Choosing the Right Discipline and Embracing Its Rewards. This session is designed to help both parents and students to make informed choices about engineering disciplines and understand what the future may hold in each field. At Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology, we recognize how crucial it is to choose the right path, and we are here to support you in making the decision with clarity and confidence. Today's panel brings together a diverse and knowledgeable group, esteemed faculty experts from our institution, accomplished alumni, and seasoned industrial professionals. They will be sharing their insights on emerging trends, career opportunities, and the evolving landscape of engineering with a special focus on mechanical engineering. Through their experiences and guidance, we hope to give you a clear picture of what each stream offers and what you can expect in our academic and professional journey. This is our fifth series of the panel discussion, and today we are dealing with mechanical engineering department. And this panel discussion will be moderated by S. Bhanumurthy sir, who is assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and we will be introducing you to the panelists of today's session. So, Bhanumurthy sir, please kindly take over.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to showcase the best of VNRVJIET Mechanical Department to the parents of aspirant students. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So let us begin into the open panel discussion. First of all, good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this enlightening open house panel discussion on engineering your future, choosing the right discipline and embracing its rewards, hosted by the Department of Mechanical Engineering at VNRVJIET. As a student stands at the threshold of making one of the most crucial decisions of their academic journey, choosing the right engineering discipline, today's session aims to give, inspire, and inform. Whether you are a prospective student or a curious parent, this interaction will offer you a window into the world of engineering, its diverse discipline, and the immense rewards it holds when pursued with clarity and passion. We are honored to have us a distinguished panel comprising industrial experts, seasoned faculty, and successful alumni, all here to share their experience, insights, and practical wisdom. Their journey will help you understand not only the significance of selecting the right path, but also how to make the most of the opportunities that lie ahead. So let us begin and welcome the panelists. Dr. B.V. Ravikumar Garu, HOD, VNR VJIT. Sir, please welcome, sir. Welcome to the panel discussion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Bhanumurthy Garu.
Yeah. And the next one, Sri A. Raghuram Garu, Director of Baba Technocrats and Manufacturers Private Limited for bridging academia and industry. Welcome, sir. Raghuram, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting me, sir.
Yeah. And next panelist is Sri B. Sharath Kumar Garu, our accomplished alumnus, whose journey will inspire many. Welcome, Sharath, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes. Next, Dr. K. Balashwari Garu, Placement Coordinator, who bring perspective on career readiness. Balashwari Garu, good morning. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Bhanu, sir.
Dr. K. Ajay Kumar Garu for his insights into research and innovation. Please welcome, sir. Ajay, sir. Yeah. And the next one, Sri S.R. Somayajul Garu, who is a very important person for a particular student as he's considering with the mentoring session. So, sir, welcome, sir, please.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, Bhanumurthy.
Yeah. Let us use this hour, not just to listen, but to engage, inquire, and explore. Your future in engineering begins with the right questions, and today is a perfect day to ask them. Thank you for joining us, and let us dive into the interaction and insightful sessions. So, Dr. B.V.R. Ravikumar Garu, do you have anything to share about the department before getting into the actual concepts?
Thank you, Bhanumurthy Garu. Good morning to all the participants. And before going into the study section, I have to, as head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, I want to share some brief about the department. I feel happy to share the salient features of the department with all the stakeholders. Department of Mechanical Engineering is one of the oldest department established at the time of inception of the institute in the year 1995. The department currently offers an undergraduate program, BTech in Mechanical Engineering, and 2 postgraduate programs, MTech in Advanced Manufacturing Systems and MTech in CAD/CAM. Department is recognized as a research center by JNTU Hyderabad for offering the PhD program. Department has accredited by the National Board of Accreditation 6 times. The curriculum and syllabus are revised once in every 3 years, and presently we are following R22 curriculum. Currently, the department has highly qualified and well-experienced 37 faculty members, out of which 28 are doctorates and 12 non-teaching staff. Department has 14 laboratories for undergraduate and 2 for postgraduate and research programs. The state-of-the-art CAD/CAM and CNC laboratories are equipped with more than 200 computing systems and workstations and softwares like CATIA, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, Minitab, CNC simulation software, FlexiSim, MATLAB, and more. The department has an exclusive laboratory for emerging technologies and 3D printing. Also, the department has a 3 Center of Excellences in Joining Technology, Center for Solar Energy Materials, and Composite Fabrication. The department faculty have published more than 600 research papers with 7,500 plus citations. The department has friendly environment for study supported by simulating education research. Faculty have received grants worth of more than 3 crores from various funding agencies for carrying out research projects. As on date, 10 research projects have been completed and 6 projects are ongoing. Department faculty have 7 granted patents and 14 published patents. Papers authorized by the faculty and students are published in leading national and international journals and presented at several national and international conferences. Certificate courses are offered to equip the students with additional skills relevant to the industry. Regular faculty development programs and short-term training programs, workshops, conferences are organized, wherein distinguished academicians and industry experts take part for the benefit of the students and faculty. Students are given the opportunity to the field projects in the second year, industry-oriented mini projects, internship in third year, and full-fledged major courses in the final year. Students are given opportunity to do minor degrees in the contemporary areas to meet the industrial requirements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, Internet of Things, data science, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Mechanical engineering students are well placed in both core manufacturing as well as in the IT industries. Some of the core manufacturing industries include JSW, Tech FMC, Hyundai, MRF, Mahindra & Mahindra, Blue Star, Ashoka Leyland, ZF India, Amaraza, etc. Many students of mechanical engineering opt for pursuing higher studies in US, UK, Germany, etc. after the graduation. The faculty and students are members of various national and international academic forums of science and engineering like ASME, IST, IWS, and SAE, etc. The students participated in various national and international competitions and the ASME student chapter of the department and have won distinguished prizes and awards nationally. ASME student chapter has designed and fabricated innovative projects over the years and have gained great stature. Thank you for this briefing about the department.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for explaining overall things about department. And before getting into the actual content of this open panel discussion regarding mechanical engineering stream, I just wanted to introduce about the HOD and his biodata. So he's working as HOD of department, mechanical engineering department as professor. He completed his PhD from JNTU Hyderabad in welding in the year 2007 and MTech from NIT Warangal with design and production engineering machine tools in the year 1998. He's having more than 25 years experience in teaching and research. His research interest is in welding technology. He guided more than three PhD scholars in the similar area, welding area, and the degree awarded also. So the degrees are being awarded in the year 2018, 19, and 22 from reputed University JNTU Hyderabad. He has published more than 90 papers in peer-reviewed journals and conferences with more than 120 citations. He got 3 funded research projects in welding domain, total worth of 33 lakhs from AICT, RPS, and DRDO schemes. So this is a beautiful biodata of HOD mechanical department, VNRVJIET we have. And sir,
yes, sir. Thank you.
From the aspiring students, So those who wanted to aspire in mechanical engineering and their parents have few questions. So they wanted to, they want to get the answer from the HOD. Being a HOD, why their children need to have or need to take admission into mechanical engineering department. If mechanical department has to be choose, why only VNRVJIET? This is a question raised from the most of the parents. Please, can you address about this, sir?
Yeah. Thank you, Banu. Nice introduction about myself. We have the two questions. One is
Yes,
why choosing mechanical engineering is a good career option.
Yes, sir.
It is a very good question to all the parents. Parents are having some ambitions or some doubts. If my son is joined in mechanical engineering, how it is the future? As another department, it is my responsibility to clarify that their doubts. Here, I have to take the good platform to clarify the doubts. Why choosing mechanical engineering is a good career option? Actually, mechanical engineering is one of the oldest and broadest branch of engineering, offering diverse career opportunities across the multiple industries. Mechanical engineering skills are applicable in a wide range of fields, including automotive, aerospace, energy, manufacturing, robotics, HVAC, and even emerging fields like renewable energy and ML. The branch provides a solid foundation in core engineering principles such as mechanics, thermodynamics, material science, and manufacturing processes, which are essential for innovation and problem solving. Opportunities for mechanical engineering are universal. The mechanical engineers can aspire job opportunities in automobile, aviation, defense manufacturing, power sectors like thermal, hydro and nuclear power plants, CAD, CAE, CAM and CAE, oil and gas industries, renewable energy, railways, space, ports and shipping, mining and leather and pharmaceutical industries. With rapid technological advancements and increasing automation, the demand for mechanical engineers is consistently rising globally. Mechanical engineering allows you to design, analyze, and improve mechanical systems and processes, fostering creativity and innovation. Mechanical engineers have strong global presence, offering opportunities for work and collaboration internationally. So these are some of the career opportunity options for mechanical engineering graduates. Is it okay, Bhanmurthy garu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have rightly addressed the question, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And as you said, VNRVJIET, why VNRVJIET is? So it is purely based upon the availability of labs, placements which we have. Of course, we are going to discuss about the placements as well. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So moving on to the next.
Yeah.
So I request Sri A. Raghuram Garu. And before getting into the actual question, I just wanted to introduce.
Sorry for the Bhanmurthy interruption.
Yeah, please.
Just I want to share some more points about the strength of the department in this platform, if you permit it.
Yeah, definitely. Please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. In the first, I have to explain about the career opportunities of the mechanical engineering. Now I am going to the strengths of the mechanical engineering department at VNR. Actually, I am very happy to share that we have the rich experienced faculty in the department. The department is staffed with a highly qualified and experienced faculty who are decided to both the teaching and research, ensuring students get the best knowledge and mentorship. The departments have the 20 well-equipped laboratories and workstations that provide hands-on experience with advanced machinery, CAD/CAM tools, thermal systems, robotics, and 3D printing and more. The department has an MOU with the leading industries and regularly conducts the industrial visit, internships, and guest lectures, bridging the gap between the academia and industry. Encouragement for research projects and participation in technical competitions through ASME and ISIE student chapter. It helps the students to develop problem-solving and innovation thinking skills. Mechanical engineering department has a good placement record with recruiting graduates for the roles in design, manufacturing analysis, and R&D. Focus on soft skills, communication, and leadership development along with the technical education to prepare the students for diversing professional environment. These are the strengths of the department. Right now, I am giving the unique features of the department for the mechanical engineering with the grants. The department NBA accredited since 2008, 6 times accredited. Recognized research center by JNTUH. 28 of the 37 faculties are PhD holders. 50% of the faculty are having their MTech and PhD from IITs, NITs, foreign universities, and other from universities. Accomplished 3 crore worth of the research projects from various funding areas like DST, AICT, UGC. And faculty are members of different professional bodies, over 600 publication, various reputed journals, and faculty 7 patent granted and 14 published. Conducted 12 FDPs and 18 students event in the past years, having the Blue Star industry sponsor laboratory, recognized collegiate club, ASME, ISIE, and SAE India. These are some of the unique features of the department. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Banmurthy garu.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for clarifying all the things with the benefits what VNRVJIET student will get. Yeah, excellent, sir. And thank you so much, sir. Thanks for your time and explanation. And moving on to the Raghuram Garu, as I told you, before getting into the point, let me introduce you about the Raghuram Garu. So, Mr. A. Raghuram Garu, director, as I told you, director of Baba Technocrats and Manufacturing Private Limited for here he is for bridging academia and industry. Coming to his educational background, he has pursued his BTech from VNRVJIET, the same alumni, in the year 1995 to 99. So after that, he has pursued his master's from computer science, Georgia Mason University, in the year 1999 to 2002. Now, he's responsible for developing applications for services for students with disabilities for SAT exam, BTM Hyderabad 2010 present. Now, he's working as a directional technical, responsible for developing and establishing different products manufacturing for defense, DRDO. Designed and also he's working and designed and manufacturing several special purpose machines, including 5-axis filament winding machine, 5-axis filament winding machine, collapsible mandrel system with complete automation of assembly and disassembly operations, automation for casting of multiple motors for productionization, static test beds for evaluation of rocket motors, etc. So working on diversifying into robotics along with instrumentation and serving clients for Turkey projects even. So he's more into like nation. He's working, we can see his biodata, he's working for defense. Obviously defense is directly related to the Indian safety and all. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for serving India.
Yeah, thank you. Your voice is not audible, sir.
I'm sorry, not sir.
Yeah, it is audible now. Yes.
Till now, like
no, I heard everything. Only just last
okay.
one word.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thanks for correcting me.
Yeah.
So here, with your experience, as you've been into mechanical engineering, BTech, bachelor degree, and after that you have a lot of experience in the core domain, mainly the core domain. So how you think, and these are the questions raised by the parents, sir, parents as well as the aspiring students who wanted to pursue their BTech in mechanical engineering, and your words, definitely the experience and your words will enhance them and build a potential in them to pursue in this career. So the question is, how has mechanical engineering stream evolved in terms of creating a niche for itself as per industry needs? It's the first question, sir. I repeat the question again. How has mechanical engineering stream evolved in terms of creating a niche for itself as per industrial needs? And how do you think VNR students far relative with their peer group in creating a niche for themselves?
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for providing me the opportunity. I hope I am audible.
Yeah, sir. Please
yeah, and I think HOD sir has given a very, elaborate, view of what VNR has. So I think that's a very valuable, organized set of labs and all that we are all having now compared to when we studied. That's a exponential change in the university's abilities to teach mechanical engineering, I say. Now coming to this question, how mechanical engineering is actually has changed or tuned itself to the industry needs in today's world. I think, I'm sorry, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as my Banu Garu, thank you for introducing me. I think I just want to pick a couple of points in my own path to where I am right now. I have done my mechanical engineering BTech with VNRVJIET, and then I did my master's in computer science, wherein I felt like, okay, this would be a good combination, not only for myself, but to tell to a next generation what is to be sought out in a combinative world. Like someone who is purely mechanical saying that, okay, computers is so and so, and this is how it relates to mechanical, would maybe give less value to observe. I mean, people might say, okay, he has not done computers, so he might be telling something which might not hold value. But having gone through the cycle of learning computers over in my masters, I can surely tell that there is a good value in doing a combinative degree in today's world. And a person starting his career with mechanical engineering can always pursue his higher education in a more focused areas like AI, ML, or anything focused like CAD CAM, robotics, or get into sustainable or green energy fields, or specialized areas, additive manufacturing, and all these are being touched upon. But or even interdisciplinary integrations, like some of the things today's world people are actually thinking combining AI ML with material science so that they can discover new materials which will be adaptive to the whatever the challenging requirements of the world in the today's perspective. So I think that's briefly to what I want to touch upon in this next couple of minutes.
Yes.
Starting with mechanical engineering is going to be an advantage because these basics cannot be learned at a later stage in life. That's my point of view. Because when you mold yourself, you can mold easily when you are younger. So when the kids are transforming to a career, choose a career, I feel like this is the right time to see what your core calls for. Not everyone is built to write computer code. Similarly, not everyone is built to sit and do programming or do chip design or whatever the other fields will offer. So there is going to be an inner calling that we have to look for. Sometimes it will be mechanical, sometimes it will be civil, sometimes it will be something else. But for sure, mechanical has a more broader, footprint when it comes to cross domain, applicability than other fields, I feel, because it is a broad subject which can be applied in different programs. That is the additional advantage. And in today's world, everything holds equal importance. It is not like you can be free from mechanical or some other field. Everything, when you look at the vertical, the value of what it provides to the entire spectrum, we have to judge it based on the merits. Today's world, if you consider even defense, which I am most closely related to, there are so many items in defense also, like improvising the performance of a specific program, like a missile or whatever it is, a rocket or whatever it is. It depends on computers, mechanical, instrumentation, propulsion, chemistry, physics, so many different fields. So now choosing mechanical at the right time will give you that additional advantage that can mold your career. I would suggest the parents to look at the kid's future aspirations or what his core strengths are, and based on that they can take a call. Now coming to why Vignan Jyoti, I mean, I had the good opportunity provided by Somayajilu sir to come to Viva Voice for some students in BTech, and I was pleasantly surprised to see that some of the projects taken up by the kids include piezoelectric crystals to be used or experimented on to find energy efficient solutions to produce electricity out of motion, or some experimenting on welding technologies And then also some kids have come out with assisting doctors to improvise the prosthetics they are using to perform operations. And these are things which are real world requirements. And I think I'm presently surprised and greatly appreciate the faculty for encouraging the kids to move in the direction where there is a practical solution they are providing as part of their degree. And this is a difference that I feel like VNR can offer. Reason is, I think the retention of the professors. I can see the professors who taught me in 99, 95 to 99, even today, which is not a normal thing. In today's world, attrition is so high. I mean, a little bit of a hike in salary, I think people leave. So I guess retaining so much of faculty for such a long time is in itself a big advantage, because this in itself is a big motivation. Or I mean, they actually validate every semester how the students are performing and how they can revise their career growth. Or every 3 years, as sir said, when they revise their curriculum, I think having this experienced faculty will make a world of difference when you do the career discipline, when you define the program for the next generation of kids. And having the same core group will be a major advantage. I think you are churning out things more efficiently in a collaborative way, being the team going together for a long time. I think that's the advantage, along with the lab and other facilities that students and parents can look for. Sorry if I took a long time, but sure, please, if you have any
Thank you,
questions,
sir.
kindly.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. I'm glad the session and information helped
Yeah,
clarify the doubts about mechanical engineering versus other streams, and very clearly explained about the projects, how the projects are being carried away in VNRVJIT exclusively, because we see in other colleges, when we go to other colleges, the type of projects they deal. So here you have addressed that automotive type of projects, aerospace kind of projects, physioelectricity, where energy and robotics kind of things, and even biomedical engineering, where our students have been working in order to serve the society. So
right.
this is the motto of VNR VJT. Thank you, sir. Thank you for addressing these things and
Thank you.
identifying them, actually.
Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you so much, sir. Once again, Raghuram, sir.
Thank you.
And moving on to the next agenda, student, the alumni. Student over turned as an alumni of VNRVJIT.
Yeah.
We say him as one of the proud student of the batch. So Sri B. Sharat Kumar. So Sharat Kumar, coming to his biodata, let me explain you the biodata of it so that we can go into the question. So Mr. Sharat Kumar Batula, an accomplished IT.
Hello.
IT, am I audible? Hello.
Yeah, audible, sir. Audible.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Sharat Kumar Batula, an accomplished IT audit for professional and certified information systems auditor (CISA) with over 6 years of diverse industry experience. Sharat Kumar is currently part of Flutter Entertainment India LLP, where he specializes in SOX compliance audits and third-party assurance (TPA) audits for SOC reporting. His professional journey includes key roles at renowned organizations such as Wells Fargo, where he served as a senior assistant vice president, and EY, where he contributed as a consultant. He began his career with Deloitte as a campus hire and was honored with a prestigious Inclusion Championship Award, a rare recognition presented to just one individual per quarter across the country for exemplary contribution to fostering an inclusive workplace. Sharat Kumar has worked across a broad spectrum of industries, including financial services, telecommunication, cosmetics, consulting, and media. Beyond his journey, his corporate accomplishments, he has also been actively contributing to academia as an BOS, Board of Studies for Mechanical Engineering Department, VNRVJIT, since 2022. helping bridge the gap between academia, curriculum, and industrial expectations. So, yeah, Sheth,
Sir.
yeah, I have a query. This query is from again parents who really wanted to uh, join their children's, their wards into a mechanical engineering in VNRVJIET again, specifically mechanical engineering in VNRVJIET. Because as you are one of the alumni, it is you are the right person to address the question asked by the parents. Okay.
Sure, sir.
So the question is like this: how did the experiences in VNRVJIET help in shaping your life or career? Where what were the takeaways points from your department? Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Please.
Thank you so much for the brief introduction about me. And it was great pleasure to be part of this panel discussion. So I have been given this opportunity since last 2 years. Thank you so much for that, Ravi Kumar sir and Satyanarayan sir. So moving on to the question which you asked, sir, I can tell you, when you're asking this question about the freshers when they join the college and what are the key takeaways. So I can remember that since I'm at my hometown, my parents are with me. I can remember we all came to the college for the reporting, and the moment when I was I was the backbench student and I was having the stage fear and whatnot. I was not able to talk to the teachers, in front of me and ask about the questions, about how the department looks. Where is the department? First question is where is my classroom? Where should I go? I was very, shy and I was not able to ask this. So from that stage to this stage, I can tell you the reason how I transformed from that person to the Sharad Kumar in this panel discussion. So and being part of the mechanical engineering, there are many advantages, and the faculty especially, they encourage both the extracurricular and the co-curricular activities along with the subjects which we have in the general academics. So I was given the opportunity, to be part of the NSS, to be part of the social activities which we have completed as part of from the department side, and all these contributed to the skill set development. I was able to talk to the people outside the college. I can negotiate with the people to organize the events within the organization. So there were many events which I personally managed. For example, we have the Venkaya Naidu visit to our college, Vice President of India. At that time, NSS was given the opportunity to handle the hospitality services. So I was leading that entire hospitality from the team NSS. And mechanical department has also given to introduce about the talk about the department in the at the about the department to the guests. So that was also a great opportunity which helped me to overcome the stage fear, which helped me to bring out of that fear when I joined the college. And by the time I pass out from the college, I was able to talk to the many people. And also I can share one experience, sir. When I was having the Deloitte campus interviews, I cleared the exam and I prepared for the group discussion. To be honest, I went to the HOD, then HOD MVRD Prasad sir. So and I was asking sir, we don't have the confidence that we can sail through the group discussion or not. Then he spoke to the English department faculty and arranged a mock group discussion session for 2 to 3 days. So we went to that discussion and that helped us a lot. And that was the support that we got. I mean, that group discussion was given only to the mechanical engineering, mechanical students, not for entire, college things. So I can praise that, the help that the department has given to us. And one more thing, my then mentor, Kiran Kumar sir, has, motivated me. That day I can remember, next day is the interview. And today I was sitting with Kiran Kumar sir around 6 p.m. in the evening. And sir was walking me through what is the role, what are the responsibilities that you should be handling when you go join the organization. So we were reading the entire roles and responsibilities line by line, and sir is making me to fit into each line. Like if they say they should possess the advisory risk skill set, then he was relating me to my experiences in the 4 years, what I have done. So sir knows everything about me mostly. And, he was telling, you have done this NSS, this event. So this skill set can help you to justify your knowledge in this skill set. So that was the great support that, that was given, that was voluntary given by the, Kiran Kumar. I didn't go and ask him, sir, please help me in overcoming this interview. Please guide me to the, to crack this interview. He himself called me and, helped me and, prepared me for the interview. That was one thing. And, I was very happy for that. And, immediately after the interview was on Sunday, July 7th. So I cracked that interview, and in the evening 7 to 8, in between 7 and 8 o'clock, I got selected, and I immediately called. First call I called is like, the Kiran Kumar sir, and then faculty, and then I informed my parents that I got selected. So that is the help, and that is the bond I have built with the college, and college is also in turn giving the same, same level of bonding between the alumni. Me being the alumni, still I have the contact with the college, and I come to the college and learn many things from the college. So I think these are the few takeaways I can tell, sir. And I want to give one advice. If people join to the department, I would encourage them to be part in one or the other co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well, which will help them shaping their career and understanding what is best suited for them.
Thank you, Sharad. Thank you so much. And you have recalled everything, all the faculty names, and the date also when you have your interview, you got placed. Nice, very good.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. And after completing your BTech also, you are serving in some other way to the institute department. Good. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And moving on to the next, training and placement. Dr. Balashwari Garu, sir. So before, sir, can you turn on your camera?
It's on only. Camera is there.
On. Okay. Sir, Balashwari Garu, before getting into the actual question, let me introduce to the audience. So, Dr. K. Balashwari Garu, Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, VNRVJIET. He has done his PhD in the year 2014 JNT from the JNT Hyderabad on the topic multi-dimensional modeling on axis symmetric model using CFD. And he has published more than 35 papers, and he has international conferences about 3 plus. Research interests are diesel engine combustion and emission production on tribology. He has published patents about 8, and he has various memberships, and he is a reviewer of Journal of Bio and Tribo Corrosion, American Journal of Mechanical Engineering, and he's serving his experiences in the VNRVJIET as a placement coordinator, NBA coordinator, and all. So, sir, please welcome, sir. And I have one query regarding the placement, sir.
Thank you, Banu.
Yes, sir. One query, sir. This query is raised by the parents. Can I? Yes, sir. How do you ensure that your student lands up with good job offers on par with other branches, and what are the steps taken in this direction? Very simple. So, where you are going to place the wards, and what are the steps you are going to follow in order to do it? Please, can you explain?
Thank you, Banu, for the brief introduction.
Yes, sir,
so placement is a crucial part for any student's life. So parents, once they give their admission, once they admit their student, their word, they will look for the placement. So here, so for that we have a strategic plan. Am I audible, sir? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
We have a strategic plan as per with other branch students. the placements are providing from our department. So I will discuss with three aspects. First one, I will reveal the past record of our placements for the past 3 years. So recently, see 24-25, we have 77% placements with highest package of 9 lakhs per annum. Still the process is going on. 23-24, we have 75% placements with the highest package of 9 lakhs per annum. And 22-23, we have 81% placement with the highest package of 11 lakhs. So now I am saying these percentages for the last 3 years, and remaining students, they will go for either higher educations or startup. So like that, 100% students who have studied in our VNRVJIET will be placed, went for higher education, and they will become entrepreneur. So like this, we have a strategic plan to make the students to be placed, to send them for higher education, to make them entrepreneur. So for that, we have training programs from second year onwards. From second year onwards, once the student admits. So first year also we have examly portal. So in that he can do some exercises pertaining to different examinations conducted by different companies. So seriously, the training program starts from second year onwards. In second year, we give training for our students on CNDS Python program. So these two programs at second year level, we are providing for the students so that they will be on par with the computer students or IT branch students, means software related jobs. Means we are making them ready for the software jobs. And third year onwards, we have campus recruitment training. In that, different training programs are there. Quant, reasoning, verbal, technical, 75 hours we are providing. Company specific tests, 23 hours we are providing. Boot campus modules, 14 hours we are providing. Technical training, integration with digital platform, 60 hours. Aptitude training by expert outside, 24 hours. AMCAT, CoCubes, FNAT assessments, 3 hours. So for AMCAT, CoCubes, FNAT, these are the examinations which are recognized. Many of the industries recognizes the scores from AMCAT, CoCubes, and FNAT assessments. So that is the reason we are focusing AMCAT and CoCubes also. And after that, resume validation and alumni, 1 week. So continuously this students will prepare resume, and this resume will be corrected, any corrections are there. So once till it gets final stage, the help assistance will be given. And then virtual GDs interviews with alumni. It is nearly 2 weeks. Like that, this CRT, we are calling it as CRT, campus recruitment training, will be given. So all these programs are conducted in the first semester of the third year. And second semester, we have core training programs. So first semester, they will be ready for the IT related jobs. And second semester, we have core training programs which are pertaining to mechanical engineering. Those trainings are 3D printing, 40 hours, Cura, 40 hours, ANSYS, 40 hours, Hypermesh, 40 hours, solid modeling, 40 hours. Apart from this, we are providing CNC training also, CNC milling, CNC lathe, like that. Basically, these two machines people prefer. So, of course, we have other CNC programs also. These two we are preferring, sir. So, job opportunities are there for milling as well as turning. So, these two also we are focusing. So, after completion of these training programs, he will be completing third year. So, now, after this, when he enters into the
final year. So mock interviews for the students will be conducted by the department. Means mock interviews may be with the in line with the placement department, mentoring and training placement cell. And apart from that, the mock interviews are conducted from our alumni also. This is specifically when the company comes. Suppose TCS is now drive will takes place. So they will announce the date. So prior to that date, we make Google Meet with the students, our own alumni who are working there. What are the questions posed? How to face the interview? How to write the examination? All these data will be shared for the students who are appearing for the examinations. So this is mock interviews are with two categories, sir. One is in line with the department MTP, and interviews and what is to be done for the examination, and what to do, what not to do, everything will be our alumni students. So that will be done through Google Meet. So once the student reaches to this stage, 4.1, the placement drive starts. So once placement drive starts, before completion of December or 4.1, almost all the students gets placed in different companies, and 80 to 90% of the students will be placed in the first semester itself. So remaining 10%, what is left out, these people will go for higher education and they become startup, or go for startup, or they become entrepreneur. So I will name some of the companies, core companies and IT companies which visit our campus. Core companies: Atlas Capco, Autocracy, Deccan Auto, Hyundai Mobis, JSW, Polycab, Paracomart, Saddle Point, Square Yard, Technic FMC, Worley, ZF India, Hindustan Petroleum, Hyundai Motors, Hyundai Transys, Illness, LTTS, Satwin, Ramkey, Rapti, Torrent Gas, VM Technologies, Mahindra & Mahindra, MRF, Meritix, Cognizant. So these are the core companies which normally visit or conduct drives in our campus, on campus. And some of the IT companies: Accenture, Brain, Deloitte, Dravin, Gency Elevate, LTI, Media Mint, TCS Ninja, TCS Digital, Alliant Group, Blue Star, Deloitte, TCS Digital, Wipro, ADP, Byju's, Capgemini, CTS, Gency, Saint. These are the core companies. So our students are sharpened at both ends. So some of the students will go for IT, some of the students will go for core companies. So like this, our students, we have planned in such a way, in a strategic way, that they are useful for either modes. They can go for core, they can go for software companies. So this is what we are strategically planned to make our students 100% placed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for clarifying the doubts and explaining elaboratively the number of companies, the packages, and everything, whatnot. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manu, sir.
And coming to the next agenda, research and development, Dr. K. Ajay Kumar, sir, Cavity. So before getting into the actual question, I just wanted to introduce to you Dr. Ajay Kumar Cavity, Professor, Mechanical Department, VNRVJIET, and his responsibilities in VNRVJIET is Head Center for Solar Engineering Materials, Head IPR Cell, Institutional Research Committee members, and his background, like he completed his PhD from NIT Bhopal in the year 2011, MTech from NIT Bhopal 2003. Teaching and research experience is almost 22 years experience. Citations are more than 1500, H index 18, and I-10 index 30. Books published, 4 international publishers. Highest impact factor with 35.339, 1 publication, and 5 publications are with 17, nearly 17, 16.799, 17. Areas of interest, areas of research goes with solar engineering materials, composite materials, forming materials, and he's also acting as a reviewer for prestigious journals like Elsewhere, Springer, Taylor and Francis, and also editorial board member of prestigious journals from same Elsewhere, Springer, Taylor and Francis, and he's been funded with funds received for researchers 53.48 lakhs, DST 40.72 lakhs, TechUp Fund, TechUp 3, 2.85 lakhs, DRDO from DRDO, 9.91 lakh. Total number of publications are 120 plus, and among them, SCI, 35, Web of Science and Scopus, 50, book chapters, 12. Total number of patents published is 10 plus. In that, published is 5 and granted are also 5. Academic project guidance, PhD 1, successfully completed, awarded by again JNTU Hyderabad. PG almost 22, UG students 18, and seminars and workshops are organized about 15 and attended about 15. So expert lecture delivered also are 12. So thank you, sir. Thanks for having us in this session, having with us in the session. Please unmute your mic. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir. Welcome to this panel session, sir. So, sir, in this panel session, parents are having few questions regarding research. So, I thought you are the right person to clarify the doubts. So, the question is like this, sir. Mechanical branches has become a hub of research with respect to paper publication or in attracting research funds from various agencies. How are your students, VNRVJIET students, getting benefited out of this culture in the department? Please, over to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for very structured and well-defined question. And I'm happy to share my experience and the experience of the entire department regarding this. So over the period of time, Department of Mechanical Engineering at VNRVJIET is evolved into a vibrant hub of research and innovation, and also moving towards consultancy. So the reason of this evolution is because of the core strength of the principles of the institute and the qualitative faculties which we have in the department. We have 37 faculties, which already head of the department has given a brief about the department. But just I want to reiterate to make it sure that how students will get really benefited when you have a quality faculties. So we have 28 faculties who have already completed their PhD from reputed institutes, few of them from abroad, and few of them from IITs and NITs and the reputed government institutions and deemed institutions as well. So when you have a quality faculty members, then they have a culture of working on a research, and the consequence of this is that we'll get a qualitative output. The qualitative output in terms of a very well-known and reputed huge number of publications and significant and grants from very prominent research agencies like DST and SUB and AICT, DRDO, so on. So we got a sufficient number of project funds, and right now we have 4 research projects which are worth more than 1 crore. And when we have these research funds, then we have an opportunity to actively involve our students into these research funded projects. And when students are involved in these projects, they will learn the things, how actually a research project can be done. And they will learn the technicalities of the research project. And they'll be actively involved into the different research equipment which we get it through these funding agencies and also through sponsored by the institute as well. So if you see the prominent research areas which the department we have, which are very in line with the current technologies, one is the composite materials, which is the need of the hour, where the defense technologies are evolving humongously right now in India. And we have joining technologies, manufacturing, and we have additive manufacturing, which is very prominent and the need of our technology right now. And we have also energy systems, and substantially people are working in materials as well. So these are the prime areas of work, and few faculties are working on CFD as well. So this way we have the blend of research faculty members who are working in this different broad spectrum of areas. So which is helping students to be actively involved. So now the students have a broad choice. They can choose the area which they wanted, and they can actively connect with those corresponding faculties, and they can work on their research projects, and they can involve in actually the research labs. So that way they are actively involved into these research activities, and through that they're learning how to uh, how to use the machines, research machines, and how you have to extract the data and how to analyze the data. In this way they are learning these technologies even for the undergraduate level and the PG level, which is actually a substantial advantage when the students will choose a career in future as in a research labs or in an industry, or if they go to the higher education. So, and another way we have is we have lot of internships where students are actively pursue their internships in the above said domains. And also we have the course-based projects where the students will come and actively involved in that. In this way, we have a culture of where it is like an umbrella I always give, where we have a good professor, through under him we have a PG students, under him again we have the UG students. Like this, there is a chain from where the research is handing over from one person to from the faculty to the PG students and to the UG students. In this way, a nice way, environment is growing in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. The result of it is that we are getting very nice projects, and we are getting the very good number of research publications. And another aspect in the department is that we encourage interdisciplinary research, where faculty members as well as the students are allowed to interact and collaborate with the other disciplines like the Department of Physics, Department of Chemistry, and Electrical Department, Electronics Department, and Computer Science, where the A&ML is very widely progressing. So this way we give an opportunity to the students to actively pursue the interdisciplinary research. So that's also helping to learn more, because when we are in a one disciplinary area, we'll dig more into it. But when you enter into the other area, it's easy to apply that core area into that application domains. This is also another way actually our students are getting benefited by allowing them to interdisciplinary research. So this way we are progressing in this area of research. And when the students are actively involved in these things, they will get a very nice opportunities to do their maybe post-graduation at the very high reputed abroad, or as well as in the Indian institutes, and they will get a confidence to face the interviews as well. And this knowledge will help them to use it in industry in such a way that they will progressive in their career. So these are some of the ways I feel so students are benefiting in the Department of Mechanical Engineering because of the culture of R&D. Thank you for asking this question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Very rightly pointed. The senior faculty and their research abilities, how they define student from zero to hero under an umbrella again. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah. Moving on to the next one again, as I told you, zero to hero. And this point leads, as even rightly Sharath also mentioned, the faculty of VNRVJIET, where they have been transformed the student from first year to the fourth year, and from fourth year again placed in a reputed organization serving to the society directly and indirectly. Yeah. Moving on to the mentoring session, Sri S.R. Somayajulu Garu, the senior professor, who is having a vast experience, more than 25 years experience. Dr. Somayajulu Garu, please.
Yes, Bhanmurthy.
So the question to you is, sir, could you share how your guidance and mentorship have influenced the in development of student, particularly in transforming them from novices into responsible individuals who contribute meaningful to society. Please, sir.
Okay, Bhanumurthy. Bhanumurthy, am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Okay, Bhanumurthy, thank you. A very good question. Thank you, Bhanumurthy, for choosing the right topic and right question. So this is about, so once again, we thank everyone, and also some parents are also joining. Welcome to the parents and also the students, aspirants who are joining. Welcome to the session. So as rightly said, this is a very good topic. We have this mentoring system right from inception of the institute. We all are aware mechanical engineering department is incepted in the year 1995 when along with the institute was, and that way the department has completed 30 years. So the oldest department, very well developed, senior most department of the institute. So in the right from day one, that is right from 1995 itself, we have a very good system here in the institute and also in the department, that is mentoring system. Okay, so in the olden days, we used to call this as a student guidance system or suggestion system or counseling. We used to call it counseling, and with the times, a lot of changes have taken place. Now we have given a very broad name, a complete name, mentoring. We have a system in the department and also in the institute, MTP, mentoring, training, and placement. So this is a 3-layer system, very well planned system. So first and foremost in this system is M. M stands for mentoring, student mentoring. So we all are aware, a student coming for admission here, they will be here for 4 years, and also students with different backgrounds, urban backgrounds, rural backgrounds, and also with different mother tongues, and they will be coming. Not all students will not be alike. So we have put this system. So from day one itself, first year, first semester, till final year, second semester. So that means entire 4 years journey of a student here. A student will be attached to a faculty who is called the mentor, and the student becomes mentee. So because everyday parents cannot come to the institute, so this mentor for the student is like a parent in the campus. Okay, that is the idea, that is the concept. So the mentor will be having a relation, a personal one-to-one relation. They will be calling the students, finding their welfare, the difficulties, and a one-to-one. So privacy, confidentiality, relation will be maintained, and also documentation. Whatever is discussed with the student, that is all documented here in the mentoring file. And recently, in the recent years, even we are doing it in the using the software also. Here, to complete the cycle of communication from time to time, parents are also involved. Parents are also called. If at all there is any issue is there or any difficulty is there, along with maintaining the confidentiality, because generally students, they will not like if their personal issues, their personal problems are there. No one likes to discuss them in open. Yes, sir. So here in this, when it comes to mentoring, confidence is very important. Trust is very important. So we have to take the students into confidence. We have to protect their privacy. We have to create a sense of confidence in the minds of the students. So for that, lot of patience, maturity, communication, and a good heart is very much needed. That we are all doing right from inception of the institute even today. So parents are also very much involved in case there is any concern. Anyway, on the other side, from time to time, the parent-teacher meeting, parent-teacher interaction, they are also convened section-wise in the department. So here, when it comes to mentoring, if there are no issues, then also we call the students. Some students will be performing very well, outstanding. Okay, they will be encouraged to do much better, publish their work, go for higher level projects, participate in the competitions. Whereas some students will be there, slow learners. Okay, so they are also taken care of. Particularly here, one important point is students are encouraged to be regular to the college. That is very, very important. That is why we insist on first come to the college. Okay, attend the classes regularly. Then they will be knowing what is going on. So, and they will be getting the inputs from the teachers, from the department. Peer learning will take place. And also, in case there are any personal problems, personal issues, sometimes students also they may not be in a position to communicate with their own family members, parents. In those cases also, we take them privately. Immediately they may not come out. Slowly, at times, slowly they will get open up. Issues will be there, problems will be there. Okay, so what are their issues? And from time to time, we conduct mentoring sessions, and if necessary, case to case, even we call parents also, try to help the students on one side and also parents on the other. There are many instances, as asked by Bhanumurthy, there are many instances where this mentoring system has been implemented successfully and many students are benefited. The best example here itself is here Sharat Kumar. Sharat Kumar is our student who is very much benefited with the suggestion system. Sharat was from a rural village near Karimnagar, Mancherial. He was very shy. Even he will not. He used to remain very quiet and calm. And okay, we encouraged him. We have. I myself made him the CR of the class, class representative. So that way he got the opportunity. Even we involved his parents also. This is not one day or overnight job. It's a continuous job, continuous relationship. Actually, mentoring is not anything that we do something and write on paper. It's not like that. It's a relationship. More than anything, it is a relationship with the students, relationship with the parents, and involving all the stakeholders, completing the cycle of communication. So this we are doing right from inception of the department, right from 30 years. Of course, in the olden days, we used to call it by different names like counseling, and now we have given it a broad name, mentoring. And now even we are doing online using the education software, and also traditional system of this mentoring files are also maintained. So on average, 15 to 20 students will be allotted to one faculty member in the first year, first semester itself. So they will take that relationship will be there for 4 years till the student completes final year, second semester. So one student, one faculty mentor. So continuity will be there, relationship will be there, and also it is very easy for the parents also. One single person contact. They know whom to contact in case. So this is a very premier institute, very big department, big college. Sometimes parents are also they may get it difficult. Sometimes in case any difficulty comes, whom we have to contact. They have to contact the faculty mentor of the student. So single person contact. Parents are also invited. They are also involved in case any issues are there. So here one more important point I want to highlight, because some of the parents are also there in this panel discussion. They are joining. Our humble request: please do not wait for the department to conduct anyway. Periodical will be conducting parent-teacher meeting, parent-teacher interaction, and also these mentoring sessions as per schedule. But please do not wait for the parent. Please, parents, parents are nowadays they are very busy. Both are working, but even then, please make some time, at least once in a month, once in 1.5 months, or once in 2 months, on your own. Please come to the department, okay, and visit the department. interact with HOD. Please interact with the faculty mentor of your child and also other class teachers at least once in a while. That will really complete the cycle of communication, and also we also get the opportunity to do our service much better. And also any small gaps will here, the difficulty is small gaps will be there. That is the when all students are special. All students are, every student is special, every student is unique. They have their own strengths, they have their own talents. Only thing is that it's not a single person's job. It should be a teamwork. On one side, teachers, department, institute, parents, everyone. We are all stakeholders. Our objective is to help the students to take their potential, complete 100% potential outside. Either they give their best, perform their best. So that way, this mentoring system is there. That is successfully implemented in the department, and that becomes very big strength of the department, and that is going on. And also it is one of the that makes our department very special. VNR differentiators, department differentiators. All faculty are involved, so students and also parents can be happy, can feel confident. And for this system is there in the department, mentoring system is there to take care of their children and to look after their welfare, both in the short run as well as long run. And the cycle of communication, cycle of relationship is successfully taken care of by the department in the form of mentoring system. Okay, so the best example is, of course, Raghuram is also our student only, 95-99 batch. He's there in this session as the industry expert, first batch student. Okay, in those we have taken care of those systems. Of course, those days this much distractions, mobile phones, Wi-Fi, all these things were not there, and most of the communication is one-to-one personal, and these many distractions were not there. That much requirement of mentoring was also not there in those days, 95-99 batch. Again, coming to Sharath is 15-19 batch. Sharath is one of the best example of the students here who is there in this session as alumni expert. Okay, he's got very much benefited by this mentoring system of the department. So that I am citing as the best example, right example of the student who is very much. Sharath is very shy. He is not used to speak anything, sit in the bench. So with the right interaction, right mentoring, help from the department, involvement, and Sharath has come out. He got benefited very much, and he is now doing extremely well. And also coming back, he's coming back to the department. Both Raghuram and Sharath, and they are coming back. We were very happy, and also contributing to the department on the other side. So I'm concluding like this. So the mentoring system is there. So this will continue, and we hope for the best in the coming days. And thank you very much, Bhanumurthy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for clarifying the doubts, and especially the parents who want their child to join from rural areas.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
And we definitely appreciate your efforts in uplifting the student from zero to hero again.
Yes. That is a teamwork, Bhanumurthy. All are doing department teamwork. Yes.
Yeah. Institution. Credit goes to institution, sir. As you said, rightly said, differentiators. VNRVJIET differentiators.
Yeah, it makes a very good differentiator for the institute as well as for the department.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhanumurthy.
Thanks for your valuable inputs. And next, we have in the panelists, we have Dr. B. Satyanarayana, sir, professor, former HOD. If sir wants to speak anything about the department and all, yeah, we welcome sir. Satyanarayana, sir. Can we have a few words from you? That's it. And
Session sir is there, sir?
actually, he is logged in, but I don't know. He's not in active mode. Okay, that's okay, sir. Moving on to the next, Priyanka ma'am, coordinator of admissions.
Yeah, Bhanumurthy sir.
Sir, before getting into
yes,
the,
I want to share that on
please,
news.
Sir, please, sir, please.
If you permit it. Yeah.
Please, sir.
So I have to share that recently, in 1 week back, the department is having an MOU with Volvo Eicher industry. And last week, they signed on the MOU papers. The Volvo industry is come forward to establish one training center in our institute. They are providing hands-on training to our students. So in this concern, they will allocate that nearly 8,000 to 10,000 SFT space to the Volvo Eicher. They're going to establish the 7 crores worth of equipments established here. That every Saturday they are planning to giving the hands-on training to our students. Is one of the great achievement to the department. It's one of the credentials to the department. So this is the things I want to share from this.
Great, sir. Great, sir. Great achievement. Yeah. And over to anything else from the Parajur, sir, please go ahead.
I would like to add one more point to the HOD's word.
Please,
so this Eicher center is only one center for entire Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Only one center for both Telugu states.
Great achievement by VNRVJIET.
Thank you.
Nice. And moving on to the coordinator of admissions, Dr. V. Priyanka ma'am. She'll explain the details about the admission and all. If any queries for the parents, please, ma'am, go ahead. Over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Bhanumurthy sir, for moderating this today's session. And mostly we have covered each and every segment which is there in the mechanical engineering. And we also, Somya sir, thank you so much for giving us the briefing about the mentoring process, what we do in our institute. So
thank you,
is a part for all the parents because it's a plus point for our institute.
Yes,
I also thank Raghuram sir. Kindly just giving us the difference of the lab when you were studying and right now what are the labs which we have established and developed. Sharath, thank you for focusing on the extracurricular activities which helped you to build up your confidence so that you are in this particular position. So the experiences which you have shared, the Raghuram sir and Sharath sir, giving us the overview that the student who joins in VNR in any of the stream will be developed in, he will be like an all-rounder who can shine in any of the stream wherever they get placed. So thank you so much for giving your experiences and insights to us. And I also thank Balashorya sir, Ajay sir and Somyajulu sir for sharing the facilities, for sharing the research point of view, what we have, the patents thing, and where the institute is leading right now and how we as the faculty are focusing on it to match our skills with the current technology and the trends which are happening. So thank you so much. So moving on to the admission point of view, we generally have the admissions through the 3 different categories, which is Category A, which comes through the convener. 70% of the seats will be filled through the convener quota and 30% of the seats will be filled through Category B and NRI sponsored quota. All the guidelines are specified in our website, and I request all the parents or the students who have any queries related to it, kindly visit our website. You can also visit through the department pages, and we also have a specific inquiry related to the departments. We also, in case if you are interested for the mechanical engineering, we have a department mail, which is meadmissions@vnrvjit.in. So you can just go through it. You can post your mail. You can post your query through the mail, and we are here to clear it out. And our contact numbers are also specified in the website, so you can just go through it. So this is the overview of the admissions. Most of the parents who are attending this session or who are looking after the recording version of the session have already visited it, and I think most of them have the queries whichever are cleared by us. So in case if you have more queries related to the department specific, we are here to help you out. So this is the end of our 5th series of the panel session. Thank you all. I mean the faculty and the head of the department of mechanical engineering. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much.